So now let us try to write the Verilog code for this particular logic diagram. So first we shall type this code in Notepad++. So later I'll show you how to implement this in Xilinx software. So open Notepad++. So click on File, Save As. So in E drive I'm choosing 6M DHD will have execution. So here give some name to this. So the name for this is fulladder.v. So now let me type the code. So the simple, you need to follow that particular logic diagram which we got. So just by seeing that logic diagram we need to write the code. So everything starts with a keyword called as module. Module name is fulladder. Next comes the port list. Port list is nothing but what are the outputs and what are the inputs. Sum, carry, followed by A, B and Cin. Next after this we need to do port declaration. So this forward slash indicates port declaration. So in port declaration output is sum. Individually you can write, or else within a single line also you can write. Outputs are nothing but sum and carry. Inputs are A, B, Cin. These three are the inputs. Now comes the actual logic. So here we are following a style called as gate level modeling. So in gate level modeling, check the logic diagram which is present on right side of your screen. So first gate, if you observe, one XOR gate is there and the name that I have given for that particular XOR gate is X1. So XOR X1, outputs followed by inputs. So output is nothing but wire 1, A and B are the inputs. If a particular line is having no name, you need to assign some name. So I am assigning it as W1, which is nothing but wire 1. Next, and X2. Check the output of AND gate, which is nothing but wire 2. Inputs are nothing but A and B. Next gate is XOR. X3 is the name which I am given to that particular XOR gate, which is called as an instance name. So output of X3 is nothing but sum. Inputs are wire 1 followed by Cin. Next one more gate is AND gate, and X4. Output of X4 is wire 3. Inputs are wire 1 and Cin. So the last and final gate is OR gate. So OR X5. Output of X5 is nothing but carry, and inputs are wire 3 and wire 2. So whenever there is a module, it should be end with end module. So if you observe here, there is an keywords called as wire 1, wire 2 and wire 3, which should be declared as in wires. So wires are wire 1, wire 2 and wire 3. So this is how we need to write the Verilog code for an full adder in gate level modeling, which contains 2 XOR gates, 2 AND gates and 1 OR gate.